Today's lesson is on multiplying mixed numbers. We're going to first look at multiplying a fraction and a mixed number. So we're going to multiply, and then we want to write our answer in simplest form. So for number 1, we have 1/3 times 1 1/6. The first thing we need to do is we need to change 1 1/6 into an improper fraction. In order to do that, we would have 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this would be the same thing as 7/6. So we have 1/3 times 7/6. Now we can go ahead and multiply our numerator, so 1 times 7, and we'll multiply the denominators, 3 times 6. In this problem, we do not have anything that we can simplify early, so we're going to go ahead and just multiply. 1 times 7 is 7, and 3 times 6 is 18. So the answer is 7/18. For number 2, we have 2/5 times 2 1/3. So our first step is to write 2 1/3 as an improper fraction. So we'll have 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we'll have 7/3. So we have 2/5 times 7/3. Now we can go ahead and multiply our numerators, 2 times 7. And we can multiply the denominators, 5 times 3. Once again, in this problem, we do not have anything that we can simplify early, so we're going to go ahead and just multiply across. 2 times 7 is 14, and 5 times 3 is 15. So our answer is 14/15. Now we're going to multiply mixed numbers. We're going to multiply, and then we want to write our answer in simplest form. So for number 3, we have 1 7/8 times 2 2/5. So our first step is to convert both of these into improper fractions. So for 1 7/8, we'll do 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 7 is 15. So we'll have 15/8. And then for 2 2/5, we would do 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 2 is 12. So we have 12/5. Now we will multiply our numerators, so 15 times 12. And we will multiply the denominators, 8 times 5. For this problem, we are able to simplify. So we can look at the 5 and the 15, and those can both be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. We can also simplify the 8 and the 12, because we can divide both of those by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So now we're going to multiply across. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 1 is 2. We need to convert this into a mixed number, so we're going to divide. We would divide 9 by 2, and 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. We're going to subtract 9 minus 8, and we get 1. This 1 will become our numerator, and the denominator is the number we divided by, which is 2, and that was the same denominator in our problem. So 9/2 equals 4 1/2. And now for number 4, we have 1 4/5 times 3 2/3. So first, we'll convert 1 4/5 into an improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, so we have 9/5. And then for 3 2/3, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, so we have 11/3. Now we'll multiply across, so 9 times 11 for the numerator and our denominator would be 5 times 3. We are able to simplify in this problem. We have a 3 in the denominator and a 9 in the numerator, and we can divide both of those by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. We are not able to simplify the 5 and the 11, so we keep those the same. So now we do 3 times 11, which is 33, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now we need to convert 33/5 into a mixed number, so we're going to divide 33 divided by 5. 5 goes into 33 6 times, and 6 times 5 is 30. When we subtract, we're going to get 3. So we're going to have 6 and 3/5. So 33/5 equals 6 and 3/5.